That sounds dope.
Hi guys, it's Jazz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY designer t-shirts like this one. I'm super excited to show you this. They turned out so well and it was really easy to do. If you're interested in shorter little fun tutorials, follow my TikTok and Instagram for more like this. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need, first thing is transfer paper. So I've seen a lot of people do the same thing using saran wrap and like transferring it different ways. It's not gonna stay on the shirt. Like when you wash it, it's going to come off a lot faster than if you actually get transfer paper. It's so cheap too. I think like 13 bucks on Amazon. I got the dark transfer paper. Now the reason for this is because, I don't know, but when I Googled it, because you want the image to actually show up instead of being placed on like a clear sticker, if that makes sense. So I thought that it would probably just show up a lot better on any kind of shirt, which I ordered pretty much all light shirts. Next thing you're gonna need is a printer. I literally ordered a printer specifically to make these t-shirts. I ordered one printer on Amazon and I got two in the mail. I don't know why that happened. The iron, because it is iron-on transfer. I recommend getting a really sharp pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife. The X-Acto knife saved my life doing this project. If you don't have one, like go get one. I literally bought one at the dollar store. Like just go get an X-Acto knife. Don't even try this without one. If you're planning on doing like smaller lettering and stuff like I did, then highly recommend. And obviously you're gonna need your t-shirt. I ordered t-shirts from tshirt.ca. They are like $3 to $5 on there. I ordered some t-shirts and then I ordered some long sleeves like this one. You can use clothes that you already have as well. I'm planning on doing this to like a bunch of stuff in my closet. This step is optional, but if you want to do any of like the sparkly embroidery, you're gonna need some crystals. I got Swarovski crystals and then I have fabric glue. Make sure it's like machine washable so that you're not wasting your time bedazzling something. Wash them all, fall out in the wash. Let's get started. Okay, I'm watching the tutorial they give you on the sheet because I don't want to mess it up. I'm just picking my logos and then I'm putting them over into Google Docs. I'm trying to fit a bunch on one page just so I don't waste like a bunch of any transfer paper. Printing them out just to like test it. Good thing I did because I accidentally printed this one double-sided. Make sure that you like the size. I compare on your t-shirt. I also printed a bunch of little baby logos because I thought those would be cute on like something I can sew, like a hat or on the sleeve. Put the paper in face down. Okay, I don't know if I messed this up or not. Oh my god. Okay, round two. Oh my god, okay, I'm so excited. I don't really know how like these small letters are gonna work. This is the only one I really wanted on a shirt, but I don't know how this is gonna work. You basically have to cut out each letter because any white will go on the t-shirt. Okay, this is what we've got so far. This is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, it says to iron the area first. Really see what I made a mark on the shirt whereabouts I'm gonna put the design. Peel the backing off of each letter so it's gonna be just your print. I don't know how I'm supposed to do these letters. I can't even see them. I finally got it placed. I decided to do the Paris part after just because those letters are way too tiny. So I'm just gonna iron this to mess it up. Okay, it worked so well. Now I'm gonna put the Paris underneath. Oh my god, look how good that looks. I'm gonna go and do it to all of my other shirts now. For this blue one, I cut out white letters. I've got these Swarovski crystal fabric glue as well, so I'm gonna make like a little Chanel sign. This one's 100% my favorite. 3 a.m. and I am finished. This is what we got. That is it for this tutorial. I was up till 3 in the morning last night making these t-shirts. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If anybody tries this, I want to see what you come up with. So DM me a picture on Instagram or tag me. I'd love to see those. Please subscribe because I will be posting a lot more tutorials and things that I do on TikTok and Instagram. I have a lot of fun tutorials coming for this channel. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.